Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how the Alpha Badge in Dandy's World was obtained. This unique badge is a special thank you to players who joined during the game's initial Alpha release. It's not earned through specific in-game tasks, but rather by simply playing the game during that early development period. This badge truly marks you as one of the original supporters of Dandy's World. Earning the Alpha Badge was straightforward for early adopters. You simply needed to play Dandy's World while it was in its alpha phase. There weren't any complex missions or hidden secrets to uncover for this particular badge. It was automatically granted to your account as a token of appreciation for being among the first to experience the game and help shape its development. While the exact rewards are still a mystery, the Alpha Badge is set to grant special benefits once Dandy's World officially moves out of its alpha stage and into full release. These future perks might include exclusive cosmetic items, unique in-game currency, or even early access to new content. It's the development team's way of recognizing and rewarding the loyalty of their very first players. Dandy's World continues to evolve, and it's still in its alpha development phase. To stay informed about any new badges, features, or the highly anticipated full release, make sure to follow the game's official social media and community channels. While the Alpha Badge was for early access, future badges might offer exciting new ways to engage and earn recognition within the game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.